Welcome to our channel MPC Foundation Academy. In this video we will discuss about the NAVODAYA and SAINIK and APRS and TSRS entrance topics. Chapter name is Number System, Subject Mathematics, Part 2. Okay, now we will start our video. Okay, in last video we completed types of numbers. Okay na, what are here? Natural number, whole number, prime number, completed. In this video we will start about the composite numbers. Okay na, what is mean by composite numbers? First of all, composite number is nothing but a positive number. First of all, a positive number. Composite number is nothing but what here? Composite number, a positive number that has at least one divisor. That have at least one divisor other than 1 and itself. Other than 1 and itself is called a composite number. Composite number is nothing but first condition is a positive number. Second condition is having one divisor other than the 1 and itself. Such type of number is example for composite number. Okay na? Here composite number examples, what are they here? 4, 6, 8, 9. Okay na? I am doing here 4 is how composite number. I am writing the divisor of 4. Simply 1 and 4, complete 1 and 4. Okay. Next one more divisor is there, that is the 2. That is the 2. 2 is the divisor of 4. 2 is the divisor of 4. That's why 4 is having at least one divisor other than the 1 and itself. Other than 1 and itself, 4 is having one divisor. That's why 4 is a one composite number. 4 is a one composite number. Okay na? Next example here 6. Observe 6 here. 6. The divisors of 6 what here? 1 and 6. 6 means itself 1 and 1 only. Okay. Other than the 1 and 6 here, 2 divisor is there. 2 3 ja 6. Next 3 also is there. 3 2 ja 6. Okay na? Here divisors of 6 what here? 1 2 3 6. Okay, 2 3 is the other divisions other than the 1 and 6. 1 and 6. That's why 6 also belongs to composite number. 6 also belongs to what here? Composite number. Where I am observing one more number is 7. 7 here I am observing 7. Okay, I am writing the divisors of 7. What are 1 is the one divisor of 7 and 7 is the divisor of 7 itself. Other than the 1 and 7, any divisor is there? There is no divisor to 7. That's why 7 is not composite number. 7 is not composite number. 7 is the prime number. 7 is the prime number. Okay na? This is the composite number. This is what here? Composite number. Okay. Next here, one important point is there. 1 is neither prime nor composite. 1 is neither prime nor composite. Okay na? See here, 4 is the smallest composite number. Observe here, composite number starts from 4 only. That's why 4 is the smallest composite number. 2 is the smallest prime number. 2 is the smallest prime number. 4 is the smallest composite number. 4 is the smallest composite number. 2 is the smallest prime number. You should remember this. This is the competitive type questions. Okay. Next one, what is mean by even numbers? What is mean by even numbers? Those numbers which are divisible by 2 are known as even numbers. The numbers which are divisible by 2, simply that numbers are belonging to what here? Even numbers. Okay. The numbers which are belonging to the numbers which are divisible by 2, that number are example for even number. Even number examples 2, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 like that. Okay na? 2, 6, 8, 10, 12, 10, 14, 16. Okay. 2 is the smallest even number. See here, even number starts from what here? 2. Even number starts from what here? 2. That's why 2 is the smallest even number. 2 is the smallest even number. Here general formula of even number is 2n. General formula of even number is 2n. Where here n is equal to starts from 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Here what is mean by 2n? 2n is nothing but here in case of n is equal to 1. Okay, n is equal to 1. 2n is equal to how much? 2 into 1 you will get how much here? 2. If n is equal to 2, 2 into 2 you will get to 4. If n is equal to 3, 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Here 2, 4, 6 are the examples of even number. Examples of even number. Okay na? Next odd numbers. Next what here? Odd numbers. Odd numbers means what here? The numbers which are not divisible by 2. The numbers which are divisible by 2 are the even numbers. The numbers which are not divisible by 2 are called odd numbers. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7 the examples of odd numbers. Okay na? Here 1 is the smallest odd number. 1 is the smallest odd number. Okay, the general formula here 2n plus 1. Don't worry about general formula. You will learn in next classes and in up classes. Okay na? Don't bother about that one. Here 2n plus 1 is nothing but if I am taking here n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If n is equal to 0 means 2n plus 1 how much here? 2 into 0 plus 1. 2 into 0, 0 plus 1 here you will get how much? 1. Next n is equal to 1 means 2n plus 1 is equal to how much here? 2 into 1 plus 1, 2 into 1 plus 1, 2 into 1, 2 plus 1 you will get how much here? 3. Okay, 1 is the odd number, 3 also odd number. Okay na? Next point. The sum of even numbers. The sum of even numbers always even number only. The sum of even numbers always even number only. Sum of even numbers again even number only. For example, I am doing sum. Even 2 plus 6 you will get how much? 6. 6 is the even number. Here 2, 4 also even number. Here sum of addition of 2 even numbers also again you will get to even number. 2 plus 4 plus 6 again we will get here 12. 12 also even number. Okay na? Next, the sum of any two odd numbers. The sum of any two odd numbers you will get even number. Okay na? The sum of any two odd numbers you will get here even number. Here one case is there. The sum of 3 number of odd numbers. The sum of 3 number of odd numbers or odd number of odd numbers is equal to odd number. For example, I am taking odd number what here? 3. First odd number 1 only. Second odd number 3. I am taking 3 odd numbers. 3, 5, 7. We will get here 15. 15 is the what here? Odd number only. If even number, I am taking 4 odd numbers. Means 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 8. You will get how much here? 22. You will get how much here? 20. 22 or 23? 15. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 7. 15. See here. Okay. Listen here. The sum of any two odd numbers you will get how much here? Even number. The sum of any two odd numbers you will get how much here? Even number. Okay na? The sum of any two odd numbers what here? Even number. Next to third point, difference of any two odd numbers must be even number. Difference means subtract. Okay, I am taking two odd numbers 7 and 5. Difference of 7 and 5 means 7 minus 5. Difference is nothing but subtraction. Okay, here 7 minus 1 will get 2. The sum of any two odd the difference of any two odd numbers is equal to how much here? Even number only. Okay, these three. First point is the sum of even numbers, again you will get to even number only. The sum of any two odd numbers you will get how much here? Even number only. Any two odd numbers must be even number. The difference of any two odd numbers must be even number. The difference of any odd must be even number. Okay na? Next to here important one, test of divisibilities. Okay, first one, two divisibility rule. The last digit of a number is either 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. The last digit, okay na, of number is either 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. The number is divisible by 2. When you are observing the divisibility of 2 rule, you should observe the last digit is nothing but ones place digit. If ones place digit is 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, the total number automatically divisible by 2. For example, 242 in 1's place 2. 2 is there na, 2 is even number, that's why total the number also 242 divisible by 2 only. Here 306, 6 is there, 488, 8 is there, 5000 is there. These all numbers are divisible by 2. Why? Because in 1's places there are having even number. The 1's places there are having even number. That is the divisibility rule of 2. Okay, now next by 3 divisibility rule. Okay, what is the 3 divisibility rule here? The sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 3. The number is divisible by 3. See here, the sum of the digits of a number, the sum of the digits of a number. For example, I am taking 243. Okay, I am doing sum of digits here. How many digits are there? 3 digits. 2, 4, 3. 2, 4, 3. Okay, 3 digits are there. Next, sum of these 3 digits. 2 plus 4 plus 3. You will get how much here? 9. You will get how much here? 9. 9 is divisible by 3 or not? 9 is divisible by 3. Okay, that's why 243 also divisible by 3. 243 also divisible by 3. Okay, I am repeating once again the divisibility rule of 3 number. Okay, the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 3. Okay, the number is divisible by 3. For example, 243 I am taking. Total how many digits are there? Here 3 digits are there. Okay, here 3 digits are there. 2, 4, 3. Sum of these 3 digits, so 2 plus 4 plus 3 will get 9. 9 is divisible by 3. That's why 243 also divisible by 3. I am giving one more example here. I am taking 5273. 5273 here. How many digits are there here? 4 digits. 1, 5, 2, 7, 3. Next, sum of these 5 digits, what here? These 4 digits. How many digits are 4 digits are there? Sum of these 4 digits, what here? 5 plus 2 plus 7 plus 3. 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 5. How much here? 12 plus 5, 17. 12 plus 5, how much here? 17. 17 is divisible by 3? No. 17 does not divisible by 3. That's why 5273 also does not divisible by 3. 5273 also does not divisible by 3. If 5073 is there, 5073 is there, what are the digits are here? 4 digits. 5, 0, 7, 3. Okay, and sum of these 4 digits, what here? 5 plus 0 plus 7 plus 3. Okay, 3 plus 7, how much? 10. 10 plus 0, 10 only. 10 plus 5, 15. Okay, 15 divisible by 3. Okay, right. 3 1 ja, 3 5 ja. Okay, right. Okay, 15 divisible by 3. Therefore, 5073 divisible by 3 is right. Okay, when we are to observe the divisibility of 3, the sum of the digits, the result of the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Okay, na? Automatically the total number also divisible by 3. Okay, next one. Next, divisibility rule of 4. Divisibility rule of 4. When you are the divisibility of 4, you have to observe last 2 digits. Last 2 digits of a number are divisible by 4, that are 100. The total number also divisible by 4. Okay, when you are observe the divisibility of 4, you have to consider the last 2 digits. Last 2 digits means 1st digit and 10th digit. Okay, na? You have to consider the last 2 digits. If the 2 digits divisible by 4 are 100, the total number also divisible by 4. For example, I am taking here 1424. Here last 2 digits what here? 24. Last 2 digits what here? 24. 24 is divisible by 4 or not? 4 1 ja, 4 6 ja. Okay, easily divisible. Easily divisible. Okay, that's why 1424 also divisible by 4. 1424 also divisible by 4. Okay, na? Next, second example here, one more is there. 1500. 1500. Last 2 digits are there, 2 zeros are there, means 1500 divisible by 100. 1500 divisible by 100. Therefore, 1500 divisible by simply 4 also. 1500 divisible by simply 4 also. Okay, na? See here, when you are observing the rule number 4 or divisibility rule 4, you have to consider the last 2 numbers, 2 digits of a number, the 2 digits of a number is divisible by 4 or 100, the total number also divisible by 4. The total number also divisible by 4. I am taking one more example. One 4 2 5 I am taking. The last two digits what here? 25. 25 does not divisible by 4. Does not divisible by 4. That's why 1425 also does not divisible by 4. 1425 also does not divisible by 4. Why? Because last two digits are does not divisible by 4. Okay na? Next rule number 5 are divisible rule of 5. Simple this is. Okay. If the last digit a number is either 5 or 0. The number is 5 or 0. Last digit 5 or 0. Last digit 5 or 0, simply the total number automatically divisible by 5. When we are observing this number, here 375 is having last digit what here? 5. Here in 3460 last digit is having 0. If number is having last digit 0 or 5, the total number also automatically divisible by 5 simply. Okay na? I am explaining once again. When you are observing the number, the last digit of that number is if 0 or 5, the total number is divisible by 5 simply. Next 9. Here 9 almost equal to 3. Okay na? 9 also almost equals to 3 only. Once again repeating. If the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 9. See here when you observe 3 also. The sum of the digit of number is divisible by 3. The total number also divisible by 3. Here same. The sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 9. The number is divisible by 9. The number is divisible by 9 simply. Here 243 I am taking. Digits are there 2 4 3. These digits are there. I am sum of these 3 digits 2 plus 4 plus 3 we will get how much here? 9. Automatically 9 by 9 we will get 243 also divisible by 9. I am taking 81. Here 2 digits are there 8 comma 1. Sum of 2 digits 8 plus 1 we will get how much? 9. 9 divisible by 9 easily. Okay na? That's why 81 also divisible by 9. Next 247. Here 247 is nothing but 2 comma 4 comma 7. The sum is 2 plus 4 plus 7. How much you will get? 13. 13 does not divisible by 9. That's why 247 also does not divisible by 9. Does not divisible by 9 ani. Next one. Next sixth. Next one here sixth. Divisible rule of 6 number. Okay na? If the number is divisible by both 2 and 3. If the number is divisible by both 2 and 3. A number is divisible by 6. If the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, the number is divisible by 6. For example, if you take 216, here 216, once observe the 216 is divisible by 2 and 3. Why? Because in one place 6 is there, even number, that's why simply divisible by 2. Here I am testing the 3. Okay now how to test here? Total 3 digits are there. Sum of 3 digits 2 plus 1 plus 6, so we will get 9. 9 is divisible by 3, that's why 216 also divisible by 3. Means here 216 divisible by 2, 216 divisible by 3, that's why 216 is divisible by 6. When you are observing the number, that number must be divisible by both 2 and 3, both, here both 2 and 3, only not 1. Okay na? Both 2 and 3, the number is divisible automatically 6 also. The number is divisible by automatically 6 also. When you are testing the number is divisible by 6 or not, first of all you have to consider the number is divisible by 2. Next we have to consider the number is divisible by 3. If the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, automatically the total number divisible by the 6. Okay na? Next 8. Divisible rule number 8. Means 8 number. Okay, see here, if the last 3 digits, when you are observing the fourth number divisible rule, what here? In that situation we have to observe only last 2 digits na. Here we have to observe last 3 digits. Last 3 digits of a number. Okay na? If the last 3 digits of a number are divisible by 8, the total number also divisible by 8 only. For example, here I am taking example 6507064. In 7064, last 3 digits what are here? 064. Okay, last digit what are here? 064. 064 is divisible by 8 easily. That's why the total number also divisible by 8. Here one more is there, 72731032. Here last 3 digits what here? 032. That's why 032 is divisible by 8. That's why the total number also divisible by 8 only. The total number also divisible by 8 only. Okay. Next 876320. Last 3 digits what here? 320. 320 is divisible by 8 is easily. That's why the total number also divisible by 8. 40 there. The total number also 876320 also divisible by 8 is possible. Okay na? Means here when you are observing the divisibility rule of 8, in that you have to consider the last 3 digits. If last 3 digits are divisible by 8, then automatically the number also, the total number also divisible by 8. Okay na? Next one. Next here what here? 10. Very simple. Super simple. If the last digit of a number is 0, the number is divisible by 10 simply. When you are observing the number, if last digit means 1's place 0 is there, that's why the number is divisible by 10 simply. Okay, when you are observing the number, in that number is having in 1's place 0, automatically the number is divisible by 10. Okay na? Next one here, 11th one, important. If the difference of the sum of alternative digits of a number is divisible by 11, then the number is divisible by 11. Okay na? See here. What here? First of all, here you have to alternate number. What is mean by alternate digits? First of all, you have to know alternate digits. Next to difference. Okay. For example, what is mean by alternative? Alternative means 1 by 1. I am taking here 15753 is there. Okay, this is the last digit. This is the last digit are from right to left, from right to left, from right to left. This is first digit. First digit. Okay na? First digit, alternative digit what here? Third digit. You leave one place, one number. Okay na? Okay, here 1 and 5. First digit what here? 3. Third digit what here? 7. Okay na? Next, sum of alternative digits. Sum means plus. Next, I am taking here, this is the 5 is second digit. From right to left, 5 is second digit. Second digit alternative number, next to fourth digit. Next to what here? Fourth digit. Means again 5 plus 5. 3 plus 7, how much here you will get? 10. 5 plus 5, how much you will get? Next, difference is nothing but subtraction. Difference is nothing but what here? Subtraction. If the difference of sum of alternative digits, 10 is there. Difference means 10 minus 10, we will get how much here? 0. If difference is 0 means that number is automatically divisible by 11. That number is automatically divisible by 11. Okay na? For example, I am explaining once again here. Five seven five three is 4-digit number. Okay, I am explaining alternative numbers. Alternative numbers means what? One after one number. Okay, this is the first number. This is what here? First number. From right to left you have to take, or left to right, whatever. First number. Alternative number of first number is third number. Alternative number of first number is third number. Means alternative numbers, one pair is 3, 7. Here another one is this is the second number. Alternative number of second number is fourth number. Alternative of second number is fourth number. Okay, 5, 5. Next, sum of these two, 3 plus 7. Sum of these two, 5 plus 5. Here 10. This is the sum of the alternative digits. Sum of the alternative digits. Next to difference. Difference means subtraction. 10 minus 10. You will get how much here? 0. 10 minus 10 you will get 0. If difference is 0, the total number is divisible by 11. The total number is divisible by 11. Okay na? Next example, by 11 or 0. See here, next example, 2728. 2728, I am taking 2728. Total how many digits are there? 4 digits. First digit, second digit, third digit, fourth digit. Okay na? Here first digit how much here? 8. Alternative of first digit, third digit, then the number 7. Next second digit how much? 2. Alternative of second digit how much here? 2. Okay na? Here sum of these two, 8 plus 7, we will get how much? 15. Sum of these two, 2 plus 2, we will get how much here? 4. When difference between these two, 15 minus 4, you will get how much here? 11. 11 is divisible by 11 or not? 11. That's why the total number 2728 also divisible by 11. Here two cases are there. If the difference, if the difference of the sum of alternative digits of a number divisible by 11 or 0, divisible by 11 or 0, this is divisible by 11. That's why the 2728 is divisible by 11. In first case, in 5753, the difference is 0. That's why this is also divisible by 11. In two cases are there. See here I am explaining 5753. The sum of alternative numbers here. Alternative numbers what here? 3, 7. The sum of the 3 plus 7, 10. Here second pair of alternate numbers 5, 5. The sum of the alternative numbers 5 plus 5 will get 10. Okay na? The difference is 10 minus 10, you will get 0. 5753 is divisible by 11. When your example the 2728, the sum of the alternative numbers 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Difference is 11. 11 is divisible by 11. That's why this total number also divisible by 11. Okay na? This is the 11th one. Next one, 7. Next one, 7. The divisibility rule of 7. Divisibility rule of 7. If subtracting twice of last digit from the number formed by remaining number digit is divisible by 7, then the number is divisible by 7. Okay, when you are checking the number is divisible by 7 or not, in that you have to consider the, first of all, observe the given number and last digit. You have to twice the last digit, the resultant number you have to subtract the remaining number. If the result number is divisible by 7, the total number also divisible by 7. I am explaining by the taking of one example. Here 371 is there. Here last digit of 371 is 1. First of all I am doing twice. Twice means double, multiply with 2. Okay, twice of last digit how much here? 1 into 2, 2 is there. Twice of last digit. Here last digit how much here? 1. Twice means multiply with 2, you will get how much? 2. Okay. Next remaining number how much here? 37. Remaining number how much here? 37. Okay, here what here? Last digit from the number formed by remaining number. Remaining number here 37. You have to subtract the twice of last digit. Twice how much here? 2 is there. Remaining number is how much here? 37. You have to subtract 37 minus 2. You will get here how much? 35. Just checking the 35 is divisible by 7. Right. Automatically 371 also divisible by 7. 371 also divisible by 7. Okay, now I am taking one more example. Okay, 905 is there. 905. Okay, see here I am observing. The last digit of 905 how much here? 5. The last digit 5. Twice of last digit how much here? 5 into 2 you will get 10. Twice of last digit how much here? 5. Remaining number what here? 90. Okay, next subtract 10 from 90. Why? Because this is the twice of last digit. This is the remaining number. 90 minus 10 you will get how much here? 80. Okay na? 80 is divisible by 7? No, 80 does not divisible by 7. That's why 905 also does not divisible by 7. Does not divisible by 7. Okay, this is the information about the divisible rule of 7. Divisible rule of 7. Next one here, divisible rule of 12. Next one, divisible rule of 12. A number is divisible by 3 and 4, then the number is divisible by 4. 12 simply. If you take any number, you have to check the number is divisible by 3. How to check the divisible number 3? Just sum of the all digits. Resultant number is divisible by 3. Then automatically the number is divisible by 3. Next, how to check the 4? You have to consider the last two digits. If last two digits is the divisible by 4, the number is automatically divisible by 4. Here both the number if divisible both 3 and 4, automatically the number is divisible by 12 also. The number is divisible by 12 also. For example, I am taking here 1092 is there. I am checking 3 divisible. Okay. Here digits are there 0, 1, 0, 9, 2. Sum of all digits 1 plus 0 plus 9 plus 2. We will get how much here? 12. 12 divisible by 3. Yes. Okay. This number is divisible by 3 completed. Next I am checking 4. 1092. Last two digits what are there? 92. 92 divisible by 4 or not? 4 1 ja, 4 4 2 ja, 8. 1 remain 2 3 ja. That's why if 1042 divisible by 4 also, here 1092 divisible by 3, 1092 divisible by 4, automatically 1092 divisible by 12 also, 1092 divisible by 12 also. This is the 12 number divisible rule. Okay, now next 13. Next what here? 13. Okay, same here in case of 7, we have to subtract the twice of last digit. Here we have to add the 4 times of last digit. Okay, if adding 4 times of last digit to number formed by remaining digits is divisible by 13, the total number also divisible by 13. Here I am taking 169 is example. Here the last digit what here? 9. Here multiply with 4 means 4 times. In the 7 situation multiply with 2. Why? Because in the twice only. But here in 13 rule na, in 13 rule last digit you have to multiply with 4. You will get how much? 4 into 9 36. Okay, remaining number how much here? 16. You have to add. In that situation you have to subtract. Here add 16 plus 36. You will get how much here? 52. 52 is divisible 13 or not? Divisible 13. 13 4s are 52. That's why 169 also divisible by 13. 169 also divisible by 13. Next example 247 I am checking. 247. Okay, now turn 2 4. Here 7 is there now. Multiply with 4. 4 into 7 you will get how much here? 28. Okay, just you have to add 28 to 24. 24 plus 28. You will get how much here? Again 52. This 52 is multiply divisor of 13. Okay, divisible automatically 247 also divisible by 13. Divisible by 13. This is the video. Okay na? We will stop here. In next topic we will discuss in next video. Okay, thank you.